Hey team, it's Roland Osborne here in the Hyper Training Lab, and I'm excited because this month is Hyper Bully Defense Advocate Month. This is where all of us team up to help inspire our community to help end bullying. And I want to invite you to join our team around the world. All you have to do is download the presentation, practice it with your parents, and do the presentation for your friends, do the presentation in your classroom. If you're part of a sports team or maybe the Boy Scouts or Girl Scouts or an organization or a church, and just do your best to present these 10 ways to help end bullying, and we can make a huge impact. Remember, you can help inspire your community, you can help change your community, but together we're gonna help inspire and change the world, all right? So I'm really excited to have you part of our team. When you do your presentations, whether it's for your friends, it's for the classroom, it's for your sports team or organization, please take pictures, use hashtag HyperBullyDefense, and that way we can repost your pictures and we can connect everybody around the world. All right, I look forward to seeing your posts, I look forward to seeing your presentations, and I wanna thank you in advance for joining our team.